Q4 ക്വിസിലേക്ക് സ്വാഗതം. ഇന്ന് പറയുന്നത് കേരള ടീച്ചർ എലിജിബിലിറ്റി ടെസ്റ്റ്, അതായത് കേറ്ററ്റ് എക്സാമിന് മുൻ വർഷങ്ങളിൽ ചോദിച്ചു വന്നിട്ടുള്ള കുറച്ച് ചോദ്യോത്തരങ്ങളാണ്. അഡോളസെൻ്റ് സൈക്കോളജി, തിയറീസ് ഓഫ് ലേണിംഗ് എന്നീ വിഭാഗങ്ങളിൽ നിന്നും ഉള്ള ചോദ്യോത്തരങ്ങളാണ് ഉൾപ്പെടുത്തിയിട്ടുള്ളത്. ഇനി വരുന്ന എക്സാമിനും ഇതിൽ നിന്നുള്ള ചോദ്യങ്ങൾ പ്രതീക്ഷിക്കാവുന്നതാണ്. അപ്പോൾ ആദ്യത്തെ ചോദ്യത്തിലേക്ക് കടക്കാം. സെലക്ട് ദ നെയിം ഹൂ പ്രപ്പോസ് സൈക്കോസോഷ്യൽ തിയറി. Answer: Erik Erikson. Next question. Association is made between a behavior and a consequence for that behavior is closely related to. Answer: operant conditioning. Next question. The Right of Children to Free and Compulsory Education Act is an act to provide such education to which age group of children? Answer: to all children of the age group 6 to 14 years. Next question. Expand IEP in inclusive setup. Individualized Education Plan. IEP, Individualized Education Plan. Next question. Protection of women on domestic violence was brought into force by the Indian government in the year 2006. Next question. As a teacher, what action will you take to help a student having speech defect? Answer: provide special situations in which the student's confidence is built up. Next question. Compensatory education is meant for. Answer: gifted children. അടുത്ത ചോദ്യം. A child whose mental age is much lower than his chronological age can be considered as. Answer: intellectually subnormal. Next question. Programmed instruction is an educational implication of. Answer: operant conditioning. അടുത്ത ചോദ്യം. Overlearning is a strategy for enhancing memory. അടുത്ത ചോദ്യം. If a student frequently gets low academic grades much below than his potential level, he can be considered as an. Answer: underachiever. അടുത്ത ചോദ്യം. Normally an adolescent is in which stage of cognitive development? Answer: formal operational stage. അടുത്ത ചോദ്യം. Cultural expectations for male and female behavior are called. Answer: gender roles. അടുത്ത ചോദ്യം. In psychology, projection refers to a defense mechanism. Next question. Getting information out of memory is called retrieval. Next question. The intelligence is said to be the adaptation of new conditions by an individual. This definition is formulated by. Answer: William Stern. Next question. The propounder of the single factor theory of intelligence was dash. Answer Alfred Binet. Next question. Which theory of intelligence is accepted by Thorndike? Answer multi-factor theory. Next question. The two-factor theory of intelligence has been put forth by dash. Answer Spearman. Next question. The humanistic model of hierarchy of needs was developed by Abraham Maslow. Next question. National Curriculum Framework NCF was framed in answer 2005. National Curriculum Framework was framed in 2005. Next question. An Act of Parliament of India which describes the modalities of the importance of free and compulsory education for children between the age of 6 to 14 years is answer RTE, Right to Education Act. Next question. The personal and corporate rules that govern behavior within the context of a particular profession. Answer profession ethics. Next question. Chief exponent of social constructivism. Answer Vygotsky. Next question. Behaviors are acquired through associations between stimuli and responses. The theory associated with the view is behaviorism. Next question. If past memories inhibit an individual's full potential to retain new memories, it is referred as answer proactive interferences. Next question. The curriculum constructed by Kerala State, rooted on the ideas articulated in the National Curriculum Framework, is named as answer KCF 2007. Kerala Curriculum Framework 2007. Next question. The trait approach to personality assumes that answer each individual has stable personality characteristics. Next question. The exponent of backward condition was dash. Answer Swisser. Next question. The most effective process in the procedural variations of classical conditioning is backward conditioning. Next question. The other name of classical conditioning is R-type conditioning. അടുത്ത ചോദ്യം. Instrumental conditioning is also called as dash. S-type conditioning. അടുത്ത ചോദ്യം. In which type of conditioning both CS and CR are fixed? Classical conditioning. Next question. The concept of classical conditioning first of all given by dash. Pavlov. Next question. The meaning of the word conditioning is dash. Answer: relationship between two stimuli. Next question. The term similar to conditioned response is dash. Answer: association reflex. അടുത്ത ചോദ്യം. In Pavlov's experiment, the unconditional response and the conditioned response both are related with dash. Answer: salivation. Next question. The phenomenon of classical conditioning can be divided on the basis of procedural variations of temporal sequence in dash. Answer: 4 categories. Next question. The credit to work on instrumental conditioning goes to dash. Answer: Thorndike. അടുത്ത ചോദ്യം. The functional relationship between classical conditioning and instrumental conditioning is dash. Answer: Similarities principle. അടുത്ത ചോദ്യം. Generally, the child's brain attains its maturity at the age of dash. Answer: 6 years. Next question. Everything which influences child's development is categorized under the environment other than heredity. This statement is given by. Answer: boring. Next question. The process of child development begins at the age of dash. Answer: embryonic. Next question. The child development completes at the stage of. Answer: senile. അടുത്ത ചോദ്യം. The body length of a child at the time of birth is dash. Answer: 20 inches. അടുത്ത ചോദ്യം. The average weight of a child's brain at the time of birth is about 350 gram. Next question. Generally in infancy, the child's main feature is dash. Answer: instinctive in nature. Next question. The duration of infancy in the process of child development is dash. Answer: from birth to 5 years. Next question. After 6 months of the birth of a child, his body weight increases in proportion to birth rate is dash. Answer: approximately 2 times. ഇന്നത്തെ 50 ചോദ്യോത്തരങ്ങൾ കഴിഞ്ഞിരിക്കുകയാണ്. ഇന്ന് പറഞ്ഞത് കേറ്ററ്റ് എക്സാമിന് മുൻവർഷങ്ങളിൽ ആവർത്തിച്ച് ചോദിച്ചു വന്നിട്ടുള്ള ചോദ്യങ്ങളും അതിൻ്റെ ആൻസറുമാണ്. ഇനി വരുന്ന എക്സാമിനും ഇത്രയും ചോദ്യോത്തരങ്ങൾ പ്രതീക്ഷിക്കാവുന്നതാണ്. അപ്പോൾ ചാനൽ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്തിട്ടില്ലാത്തവർ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യണം. ഓക്കെ, താങ്ക് യു.